If your Power BI report has over 50 measures scattered across random tables or in a measure table, this video will change the way you build report forever. In the next few minutes, I will show you how professional Power BI developers create a dedicated measure table, organize measures into clean folders, and make their reports easier to manage, faster to understand, and production ready. You are welcome to Emi the Analyst channel today. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, check out my previous video, and drop a comment. Let's get right in. Okay, so we have our reports. So I want to show us how to properly structure our measure table. Now we have a measure table where all our measures are stored. All the measures we use for the report are stored. I'm going to put them in folders, putting each and every one of them in separate folders. Similar measures come together in a folder, right? So, and how do I do that? So first of all, I have to know how many folders am I creating. Okay, if I look around now, I could see that I have some refs, and basically refs are reference values used to explain the text. I have some aggregate value. I have some aggregate value, average, sum. Then I have some colors, right? I have some colors. I have some variances. So I have some budget, I have some plans, and all of that. So for this now, for you to do your place them in folders, you come to the model view. Under the model view, you could see that we have the home tab, which is the measure table. So from here, we can actually change where it's actually positioned to any other table. Then description, that is optional. So we are coming to folder. So basically what I will do is to select, okay, I'll select all the refs. So how do I do that? I'll just search for ref, and all these refs are all reference value, right? They are all text used to explain, maybe using a card, use as titles, use as subtitles to explain quite a lot. So I'll select everything, selecting the first one, hold my shift and select the last one. Everything is selected. So I come to display folder, I'll put reference text, right? So good, we have all of this in reference text right now. So the next thing I'm going to do, I want to access my color. So I can see I have some colors. Okay. Okay, I could see that even in the reference text, I have some colors there, so I have to bring them out. So I'll select everything also, click on this, put my shift, click on the last one. So our name is color, right? Colors. So these two, I think this is a color too. So let's make it color. Correct that, colors. And the spelling has to be the same. Now we have two folders. Now let's check. We have the colors, we have the reference text. Now I have some aggregate values for budget. Let's check. Let's just search budget. I have the actual budget, budget variance, budget percentage, right? So I'm going to select 3 and put them under the budget. Selecting the first, selecting the last, holding my shift down. So I'll put this as budget, right? So the next thing I want to do is to look for duration or hours, like time. So I want to search for duration. I have duration here. Average actual duration, average plan duration. So it depends on you. I could put all of these as aggregate values: average, sum, counts, distinct counts, min, max. I can put them in aggregate, but I want to have a more segmented arrangement, so I'll put duration separately. So I'm going to highlight all of this. Now remember, don't highlight this because it's under the project. These are column headings. So these are measures. You will see by the icons. This icon is a measure. This icon is a calculated column, right? Calculated column. So I've selected the 4 I have here. So I'll come to display folder and I'll call it duration, right? So I also want to look for, let's check out for hours. Okay, I have the average tax hour, average hourly rate. I could also put that under duration. So duration, okay, I think that is it. Okay, so let's cancel. Let's see what we have. What we have remaining. We have labor. Okay, let's look out for labor. Let's look out for labor. Labor is actually 1. Okay, I don't think we should arrange that in a folder. Another thing we can arrange in a folder is, let's look out for projects, right? Projects. Now we could see a lot of projects measures: active projects, project change percentage year over year, projects completed, project over budget, project started, project delayed, start projects, project previous value. Get it? So I'll select everything and folder should be projects, right? Another thing I'm looking out for is I'm seeing milestone. Let's check out for milestone. Okay, milestone, I have 1, 2, 3. I have a milestone here too, right? I have a milestone here, I have a milestone. So I'll select this. Now not come under the milestone table. So I've selected 4 milestone measures. So I'll put them under milestone, right? So let's cancel and check what we have already. We have our budget. City selected should be under text because it's telling us located in the city that you select. So it's more like a text. So I'm going to put it under reference text, right? Reference text. Yeah. So now reference text. So let's look at what we have. So another thing I'm seeing here that we need to look at is hours. Hours. So let's have one for hours. Okay. Hours now. We have another duration. Okay. Let's put these 2 hours. I think I have 2 more hours here. Let's put them under the duration. Right? Good. So hours are completed. Now let's check for, I think we still have tax. Task. Let's check out for task. Okay, I think we have some tasks. We have average tax efficiency. We have average task hours variance, completed task, task completed, task completion. This is in percentage, tax efficiency, total tax. So let's have all of that. So what I'll do, I'll hold my control. After clicking on the first one, hold my shift, click on this. Notice this guy is pushed in. It lets you know that these three measures, they are under the reference text folder, so they are not outside, they are inside of this. So the one that's outside is this. So I hold my control, click on this, so and these two. So I think that is all for now. So I'll put them under task, right? Under task. So another thing that I want to look out for is, okay, I'm seeing labor here. I've had the labor folder, right? Okay, I haven't. Let's check out for labor. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I have 3 labor. Planned costs, labor cost per hour, actual labor costs. So I'll put them under labor folder, right? Okay, we're getting there. So now all of this, you can actually put them in not more than 2 or 3 folders, but I'm just showing you that there is no limits. You can have as many folders as possible to better explain your work. Now we have some total employee, total hourly rates, total planned costs, utilization. So I think I'm seeing utilization. So let's look for it. So let's work with utilization. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think these two should be under utilization. I'll leave the ref. Utilization. Good. So what other thing? Let's check out what's left. Okay, at-risk projects. Let's see what's okay. For these at-risk projects, all of this, they could be under the project because they are talking about the project. So which other one? Our variance. Okay, our variance could be other duration. Let's check cross-board risk text. This should be text. Okay, all of this should be under projects. Let's add them under projects. Now the projects with the S projects. Now I have some measures that I use in checking. Measures like is active, is it active, is at risk. So I could make that check. So first of all, let me make it our variance, make it duration. I have is active, as at risk. Then I have which other checks do I have? First of all, let me hide this project. Risk text. Okay, let's check the risk text. The risk text should be under reference text. What should I? Okay, I think what I will do now, I have to collapse everything. Let's collapse everything. Collapse all. Let's open this. Okay, I have completion on time. So completion on time, I think it's active and is at risk. Should be under check. Right. Let's check completed on time. Okay, this should be under project, cost performance, on time delivery. Okay, completed on time should be under projects, right?
So I think we should have a performance folder. I have cost performance index, time delivery, schedule performance. Then let's have that under performance. And let's check out this previous period on time rates. So I think should be in our project too. So these three of them should be in our projects. It has to be on the projects. So we are almost done, right? Now let's check what's left. Now we are good to go. Now with this, you will see it's more structured. You could easily assess where each measure are, right? So this I did it for my fintech project with the FP20 analytics. So I hope you learned something today. Can you drop a comment on what you like us to cover in the next video, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Now you know how to create and organize a proper measure table. A small change can make a huge difference in your Power BI reports. So if this helped you build cleaner, more professional dashboard, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who still has measure all over their model. More real world Power BI best practices are coming. See you in the next video.